Hi everybody, and welcome to my latest video on Trader Joe's low-carb foods that are easy to make and hopefully taste good and are less than 10 grams of carbs per serving. So today I'm going to try to make the Trader Joe's mushroom medley, and this is really easy to make. All you do is you just put it in a skillet, you heat it for 3 minutes, and then you turn the heat to high and saute it for 1 more minute. So it can't get much easier than that. Also, as far as the ingredients, it's got regular mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, boletus mushrooms, and slippery jack mushrooms. So if you're a mushroom lover, then this ought to be pretty good. If you don't like mushrooms, well, I would stay away from that. But anyway, I mean, you know, the picture looks kind of brown, but I guess that's the way mushrooms are. So we'll throw it on the stove and let's see how it tastes. Okay, let's open up the bag and see what we got here. Got some scissors here. Cut it open. And we'll pour them into the pan. So, well, you know, when you first look at it, I mean, it looks like there's a lot of mushrooms in this pan here. So, we'll turn on the heat and put the pan on the stove and cook it for 3 minutes on medium heat. All right, well, they're all done right out of the pan. So they're still steaming. That's what they look like. They kind of spattered a little bit when I was cooking them on the stove there, so I'll have to clean that up. But let's give them a taste here. So I'll try. It looks like there's regular mushrooms in this bite. Kind of chewy. Let me try one of these. I think that must be a boletus mushroom. That one's not quite as chewy. I think this one here maybe is an oyster mushroom. That's pretty good. And then there's one other kind of mushroom in here, but it's kind of hard to pick it out. But you know, overall, I'd say the flavor is pretty good. The sauce that it is in is pretty good. The mushrooms are a little on the chewy side, I would say. But I think if you had them with some other vegetables or something like that, they would be pretty good. So overall, I'm going to give this maybe about a 3 out of 5. It was easy to make. It's definitely low carb. You could serve it just by itself. But the flavor is pretty good, but it's kind of chewy, I would think. So I'm going to give it a 3. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and click the little bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.